Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick intro to this video. It's going to be a two-parter because we're still awaiting some parts for our conversion. We've got my little boy Miles's Wltoys 144001 here. Really popular car, as you all know, don't need to go into all the details of that. Basically we've had a couple of issues with the motors on it. The first one, I don't know if we can see this up on the camera there, that's the original motor that came out of it. You can see how short the screws are there. They've actually pulled out of the can of the motor and they're completely stuck in the alley motor mount. Can't get them out at all. Likewise, I can't really be bothered to drill them out because the motor mount's only a couple of quid. So what we've done, as you'll see coming up in the video, we've decided it's a good opportunity to get some brushless power in there. Being honest with you, for an 8-year-old, plenty quick enough as it is, but we always want a bit more speed and power, don't we? So what we've done, with the help of my friend Simon, he's hooked us up with a 3S brushless kit for it. He spent some time over the last weekend putting the new brushless motor in it. I've actually changed the way he's put the ESC in. We put it down on the side there, and I've got some really short, stubby 1300 3S batteries, which fit absolutely perfectly along the back here. With the ESC up on the top there, a new bigger one like this one, you just can't get the body on. It's only a really little body, but the way we've got it here now, the original body fits back on absolutely perfectly. So we're going to go with that method. We've got a Dumbo RC controller and receiver on the way, so as soon as they come we'll get them fitted. I've also got some metal diff gears, so we need to be making sure this motor's not ripping up an already pretty little cool car for him. So we're going to skip to forwards now to how we've already put it in, and then in the next video hopefully we'll have the receiver ready to mount. So we're just going to put that on the top plate here, and then we can go ahead and get some runs done with it. We're not interested in top speeds with the GPS, you know how fast these things go when you brushless them, but for the sake of a video we thought we'd show you what we've done. Alright guys, today we're going to be putting a 3S combo in Miles's Wltoys. Why are we putting that in, Miles?
Well, I bashed it very hard, the motor got extremely hot and the motor's gone.
He cooked it. He cooked it, didn't break the car, but he cooked the motor. So, what are we going to put in, Si?
We are going to put in a little 3S combo, opening a box.
Bit of smoke, bit of music.
Here it is, a 60 amp 203 LiPo.
What was that, £2 off mine, good side?
At least. And then we have a, as it says on the can, a 4370 kV 540 can.
So he's obviously done his homework on a product, hence reading it straight off the can.
yeah.
Anyway, Miles, what do you reckon? Is that going to fit in there? Get the body off, let's have a look.
There it is, in all of its joy.
The best way, the only way, or the only way you can bodge it?
Well, I have done this once before, but not with a 3S. I had to take it apart
On my Wltoys 144001.
Did it ever work again?
Yeah.
Yes. Out with the old. In with the new. So what are we going to do with that motor we just took out your car, Miles? Any ideas for it?
Well, what we're going to do, well, I'm thinking we're going to smash
Let's do it.
it.
Getting it now.
So, as you can see, here Bobness
Taking off the lug.
is taking off the lug. Not that lug.
Oh, not that lug.
No, not that lug.
This
That-
one.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
one there.
Got to take those lugs off to be able to put the new. Oop. Snippage. Now, it'll need to go. Yeah, we've got to line him up. This is not going to go well. Don't be so mean.
Treat it mean, Si. I think something's on fire, mate.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah, baby. This will help you. Your drill. It's all for effect, Si.
I can't see it.
Looks like Dean's been wiring a lipo. So Simon right now is doing quite a technical bit of the car, so he needs to concentrate. So what's really not going to help is if I just press the button on the smoke machine.
It's like gorillas in
And
the
let
mist.
him have it.
It's gorillas in the mist.
We actually look better in the smoke, Simon.
Because they can't see us.
Yeah, exactly. How are you getting on with it anyway?
Well, we've managed to get 2 holes in here. If you can see it.
You turn the smoke machine off.
Here we are. We got 2 new holes in there so that we can get the servo in.
One hole's not enough here.
But 1 hole's definitely not enough.
That's what she said.
So we got that one in there, and that one will fit. Drum roll, please. No, not a smoke.
Smoke machine roll.
Oh.
It's stinging the eyes.
In the eyes.
In the eyes.
That's
You've got wood there, Si. It's all this talk of reaming new holes.
when you're reaming the new hole.
Show us how it's done.
All right, here we go. I'll try not to be mean. Ooh.
That is actually going off on its own. That smoke machine. It's a good action.
Thank you.
I've just come out for a bit of air. Si's asked me to stop playing around with the smoke machine, so let's see if we can see him. Oh, there he is.
What's he looking like in there now, Si?
If
you can see anything.
It's pretty smoky, so yeah. Can't really see what he's done.
Well, we haven't actually set fire to any. Well, you made it.
I haven't.
You
I've
made
set
it.
him into it. Well, I've driven the smoke machine. So as you can see, this is as far as we've got on our first stage here. We've got a nice new brushless motor mounted in there. It's running the standard gearing at the minute, so I'm not convinced it's going to last that long with him bashing it the way he does with this new powerful motor in there, but we'll see how that goes, and then hopefully the new ones will be here in time. Again, as you saw it previously in the video, Simon's had to cut the servo mount there because this servo is a little bit smaller than the one that came in there. You can just see down the back there in front of the servo arm where he's had to drill through the chassis to put the new screws in just for that smaller servo. The standard servo, again, as you know, was a 5-wire, so we needed to put a standard 3-wire in. I'm not sure many of you might not know this, but the 5-wire, it's always confused me why there was 5 wires. So on a quick Google, we actually discovered that the board for the 5-wire servo is actually in the all-in-one ESC, hence why you've got to change the servo if you change the ESC on these things. So we've got the new brushless ESC, a bit of silicone around there, so we've just glued it into the chassis there. Still plenty of room down the top for the drive shaft, and we've used the Dremel along the top edge here where the original ESC was mounted. So we're going to get this cleaned up this week, and we get the new Dumbo receiver stuck in there, giving it a nice low profile still, so the body will fit perfectly back on. Then in the back here, what I've done is just unscrew the little battery holder tab thing there. We got some super strong Velcro, obviously we got that on the packs as well, and we got some nice short 3S batteries that just about fit in there. So that's going to be a good little bash it for him, that.